Put it back in the hole. How do you? They can actually create entire dimensions just for that. It's look like a terrorist.
Painted, but then we ran out of time on, you know, we got that sealed, but we didn't have to.
That's the important thing, get it sealed.
Oh, you missed the spot.
Where are your boats? In the garbage.
That's at the back of the boat. So.
Can I get my boat off my boat?
But I think these guys.
Oh, yeah. He was too busy helping out.
I designed this boat. Oh, you did?
What I thought I was getting was somebody
I know. Oh wow, that is nice.
Clouds, apparently.
Yeah, the two of them.
There they are. Yeah. Okay. I'm like, I know that sound. Yeah.
Good, good.
Josh, be victorious.
Be victorious.
Yeah.
You can basically say
If anything, we're gonna fail miserably.
in a nutshell. Nothing, buddy.
Go Brandon, go Michael, go Josh, go Josh.
What about Mo and Eric?
Go Mo!
Put them in the water and we'll start loading.
I need to learn how to eat off. Are there any visible leaks yet?
Alright, in you go.
I don't see leakage in any of them. Hey, that means something was bumped right.
Dude, careful of the sides. They were.
Oh my gosh, that
Predictions how well sealed. Only one person. Well, I mean, it's a well-built boat. Yeah, it is well-built.
Is that your son?
No, it's well-built. There's no way they can do it well-built and themselves.
That's the way they will.
Paddle!
Paddle! Come on, go faster!
Paddle! Get down!
Faster, come on! Look on the bright side to be in third place!
Two of our people are out in the front seat.
And you could use Charles Ford.
Yes. Any of our boats.
Paddle!
Come on! Last one.
Paddle, man!
Row! Row your boat! Get it down!
Notice that Michael.
Yeah, boss!
Boss, go!
Good job, man.
Yes, boss!
Nice job.
Sea Dragon!
That should be a next song. Yeah, no dragon.
Take that paddle.
You made it, guys. Good job.
Good work,
Stay afloat.
I got him to scoot up.
You don't want to get water in?
Bill, we got to get PFDs on these guys. Oh, we do, don't we? We got them.
Dump the water out.
We got some over there on the table. We got a bunch of them. No, we brought plenty. I didn't need one.
They down one big
All right, but it's going to have to have
Yeah, we're going to have more heat to it.
Other way!
I'm gonna cross the link, tip over or something.
Is there boat falling apart?
Nah, I don't know.
Oh yeah, the middle is completely capsizing.
We got some structural issues.
Wow.
Come on, guys.
That one's
Wrong spot. This way.
You gotta come to us.
Oh, Mikey, come on.
Yeah.
Thank you for some enthusiasm for once.
Now this one is better built, but I don't know about that. One is better built. They built it around it. Have more strength. This straight is
Hey, relax. Hold tight. Hold tight.
You won the first one.
Hey, relax. Everybody's ready. On your mark. Get set. Shoot off.
Josh! Identity! We have to get our boat. Any weight loss is good.
Hey, let's do it. Let's
Muzzy's got the right idea. They're taking the inside track.
Let's go.
Go, Muzzy! Muzzy! Sean, go Ethan!
First one's making a wake.
Come on, Muzzy.
Go, roll tide!
Okay, let's get ready to receive.
They're constantly paddling.
Paddle, David!
Muzzy might win second place.
Muzzy's not digging in.
They're going to get
Taking their
second.
time.
Drew.
Making a strokes count.
Muzzy's actually pretty good.
Only problem with Sean and Ethan is they could take on some water.
Yeah, because they're standing.
Come on, guys! Come on, guys! Stroke! Dig!
Okay, go!
Go, Muzzy!
You just want to win. You don't want to fall in.
Oh!
He missed that.
Keep coming, keep coming.
Come on, Muzzy!
Good, good. Wow.
Being double-ended here, too.
Muzzy, 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 Muzzy.
Oh no, oh no!
Muzzy!
Come on, Muzzy.
Don't panic.
Look at that! Yeah, Muzzy won!
No, we got it. We got it.
I'm sorry.
Hey, Jackson, you did this. We got second. We got second. Oh, yeah. It takes out
But hey, every ounce counts.
Made it nowhere.
Yeah, down behind you.
At least we got in second place. Everyone makes it in second place. No, not third people.
I didn't think he actually brought it down here.
Y'all ready? Yeah. Mount up.
Let's go. Wait, is Joey going alone? Oh, wow. Hello. I'm bathing in my depression. Hey, what did you get? Third. Third. We got second. I miserably got third. That was fun. Come on, Joey. Because Josh's paddle was like 3 million pounds. I wouldn't want to go in the water again. I would.
On your mark, get set.
Woo! Let's go, Joey!
War Eagle!
War Eagles, come on! Let's go, Joey! Eagle!
Let's watch our language up there, okay? Yeah. on, Joey, keep digging.
Joey's doing good.
Let's go, Pirates.
War of the Eagle.
Identity crisis!
Identity crisis! You're big crisis!
Let's go, Identity Crisis. Show us who you are.
That's right!
Joey won. Nice job, Joey! Good job, Joey!
Yes, down the street!
Come on, Joey. Bring it home. Well, we signed both right there.
Let's go!
Nice, Joey! Nice win.
Nice,
Win.
They're just not getting around the buoy.
Come on, War Eagle.
Oh yeah!
This way!
The Eagle has landed.
Good job, Joey.
Nice, Joey! Joey, look behind you! Joey! They're just not getting around the buoy.
I think they lost. I'm just saying, I think.
They're both falling apart.
I want to see someone's collapse. Because they've already been in the water.
We got a Titanic award to give away, and nobody's sung it yet.
No, we should have sunk on purpose!
Congratulations! Titanic?
Yes! If we didn't win, we should have known. We should have kept it and sunk. Or wrecked it.
Here, guys, we'll just take these paddles, please.
Nice job! No, I'm saying awesome!
You guys got it?
I'm serious!
Did you guys know that you lost? I'm
What
kidding.
matters is how you look, and you look marvelous.
Do you guys have a cup holder?
But next year we're not going to name your boat a Disney price.
Second year doing this. All right?
Hey, wait up. You can't start without me.
James, they got to the Titanic.
Don't let me get in your way. Yeah, but I keep shifting.
Hey, James, I can see you.
Put it down.
You can do this.
Who's gonna be first? I want to be first.
Here, get up on the step.
You got one right here.
Okay, got it. James or Jeans? We all right. We got a life back.
Did you do it last paddle fast?
You ready?
I guess I am. I'm not sure. All right.
I was just helping myself.
Everybody ready? On your mark, get set.
Okay. Go,
Chief, go!
swim, row. Go, go, swim, go, go. Gee, come on.
Yeah.
He's gonna get that.
James, keep it going! Keep going!
Okay, who wants to make some bets?
You're gonna get an award!
You're gonna get $100.
Titanic award!
James, you'll at least get the Titanic award!
We built that in one day, as you can see.
Oh! I gotta win! Come on, sprinkle boat! Sprinkle! 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 Good James! He's still going down. We made it! David, you are dead! Go Sprinkles! He's going down. He's about to drop.
Still water patrol out there.
Go Sprinkles!
Poor G just stuck over here. Go G!
James will go in
Look at that.
Nothing like superior workmanship.
Go G!
You can still get third. James, please make it.
G's not.
Just get out of the boat and swim.
Come on, James, you can make it!
Bring it home, James!
You got this, James. You got this.
What happened?
Come on, James!
Are you videoing this?
Yes. Not all of it, but most of it.
Come on, James. Take it home.
Come on, James! Bring it home!
Bring it in!
James, come on.
Come on, James! Come on, James!
Come on, mountain men! Don't give up!
Go, G! Go, G! Come on, G!
You gotta give him the. You gotta give him the.
Come on!
Come on, Nina, Jalapena.
Come on, James!
Stay with it! Stay with it! Keep going! Yeah!
Don't quit! Come on!
Come on, you can do it!
Just stand up, James.
Don't give up!
Keep coming, man.
Almost there!
Keep going, James.
Come on, James, you got it! Oh, keep going!
Stir up last.
Come on, come on!
Come on, James, over there. Oh no, if he steps like
Come on, stay with it!
Come on, James! Paddle! Paddle, James! Paddle!
Don't give up!
Paddle, James! Straddle it and paddle!
You can do it! Don't give up!
Come on, paddle!
No! Come on, Titanic!
$50 says it makes the 10 seconds right here.
Bring it home, James. Man, he hit it.
Let's go, James. All right, we gotta get the water
Get
out.
this out of the water. Hurry. Hurry.
I don't think we're going to be getting our paddle back.
Come on, James.
I got it.
We'll use this one next year.
Get out of the water, you gotta race again.
Guess what? It's minute.
All right, G.
Let's go, G.
Good G.
Hey, Jim, good
Well, if they got something to say, I'm going to ask them why they didn't send the rest of them.
Yes, yes, come on.
Come on, G.
Carboard.
Come on, G. You can do it.
Go, G, go.
How deep is the water out there?
Hold on, hold on.
What are we doing now?
All right, I gotta get it back out. All right, listen. You guys up next again?
He did sink, didn't he?
The boat was full of water.
Well, he should get the SSC. Everyone on this week. For what? Because I bet he could get back in 3 seconds.
This is a
Best coach for you and no cheating. Of course you already cheated.
Traitor! Use a traitor! I like to use my stuff. Go, Ethan.
On your mark, get set.
Physical out there. 396. 396.
Oh, big ball. Someone win.
Go, Sean. Go, Ethan.
Run, Ethan, and Sean!
Yeah, good. I mean, they got a beautiful design.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, mate.
I just expect to see them take on the water.
Hustle!
Keep going, man. Wow. Beautiful.
Oh, that was fun.
On your mark, get set.
Go, Joey. Go, Joey.
Oh, looks like the sprinkles are getting.
Go, Decker.
But this race is not over yet. Joe.
Go, Bird! Go, Bird!
Yeah, because they're walls.
Also, there are 3 of them to 1 of Joey.
They're about to take on water.
Titanic award also. Ready!
Go, Joey! Go on, Joey, go! Go, go! Go!
Awesome, Joey winning. 2-1.
Go!
Come on, that's that sprinkle.
He's gonna win.
Hey, get it out of the water, Chris. Get it out of the ring.
You have a hole in the bottom. That's that sprinkle.
Oh, has it really?
Oh, stop.
On Joey's boat.
Go, buddy, go! Paddle!
100 to 1 day. 100 to 1 day.
Hurry up and get your boat out!
Actually, it's only one.
Guys, back up, back up.
Come on, that's that sprinkle.
That's it. Sprinkle's gonna sink.
Oh, the sprinkles went down!
Pay me money now.
Sprinkles is good.
Yeah, when I started taking on water, hey.
Bring it on in, Joey.
Come on, Joey. Let's hurry this up, man.
Good job, Joey. Get that boat out of the water.
And it's up out.
Come on, Joey, right on your tail.
Yeah, Joey, they're right on your tail.
Joey. Don't let the SS sprinkles beat you.
They're right behind you.
You're not done.
Not done yet, Joey.
5 more feet.
Hurry up and get out of the water.
Okay. Joey, the close line.
Hurry, is this the final coming up?
All right, you're in the final, Joey. This is the final.
Somebody needs to be playing the theme from Rocky about now.
Hey, we can't find Drew.
Drew. Did Drew leave with
No, Drew's dad's still here.
maybe he went to the bathroom?
I don't know, he's just been gone since the last.
Let's go 396. Go.
Last one.
Joey's bottom is like half.
This determines the winner.
That's why he's gonna win. I know, but you can see us thinking. He's gonna be escalated. He's gonna be like James. Maybe. He has to paddle from metal.
He's gonna be from Eagle 1 to Titanic 1. Oh, he's nice. Joey's gonna win. Yeah. Yes, I think that.
Go, go! Go, guys! Go, True!
It's the eye of the shark, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rivals. And like something, it's the thrill of the fight.
Hey, stop throwing water.
Your shark done.
I have a feeling Sean's gonna win.
I know Sean's gonna win.
You don't know I have the tiger shark. Batman out now. Batman out now. Batman out now. I have the tiger shark.
Dude, that'd be so funny.
His boat is boat.
Go ahead, go strong, Joey, go strong!
Paddle like your peanuts.
Good job!
Paddle like your man at your wussies.
That'd be so funny. Once again,
50 bucks there, Sean and Ethan are gonna win. 50 bucks, 50 bucks. Don't have any takers, don't have any takers.
Now paddle in the water.
Good job, guys!
Ethan. Let's go.
Good job! 396. Good John and Ethan, bring it home.
People look at Joey a little bit too, so I get money.
Go, Joey!
Dang it!
Come on, Joey. I want to take it around.
Don't win them, Mom! Ethan!
Hey, Ethan, good job, buddy. Good job, guys.
He's going pretty good now.
Bring it home, Joey, bring it home! Come on, Joey!
All right. Let's make it close. People have to get Joey a little bit too, you know. How am I supposed to make it?
Decca, bring it home. Come on, Carl.
Get it in. Come on.
Come on, Joey.
Bring it home, Carl.
No SS Titanic for you.
Come on, Joey. Walk it in. Walk it in.
Let's go. Oh, he fell through the bottom. Hey, run with it, Joey. Run with it. Run.
No, Flintstone.
That's not cheating. No, that's not cheating at all.
Outside.
Hey, Joey, that's dog paddling. Go ahead.
Go. That's not cheating.
Apparently.
He did. He's trapped. Get him out.
I told you you'd
That's a great design.
It's a Flintstones boat.
Exactly.
I got tired of